The Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro are set to become the latest and greatest smartphone from the house of Google, and even though there's still a few months between now and the eventual release of the two phones, there's already plenty of information available. In fact, Google can be thanked for many of the details, as the company has continually released Pixel 7 and 7 Pro teasers over the past few weeks and months. Compared to some of the other areas, the battery is one which has seen less speculation and tradition in terms of leaks and official teasers. As a result, it remains unclear whether consumers should or shouldn't expect much changes here. The Pixel 6 is loaded with a 4614 mAh capacity battery, while the Pixel 6 Pro battery is rated at 5003. Neither are the small, so it seems unlikely that there will be much room to drastically increase the actual capacity, especially given the overall sizes are expected to remain relatively the same. That's not to say there won't be slight adjustments. It is just the newer models are unlikely to come with significant changes to the overall capacity. Still, the capacity is only one element of the battery chain, and the inclusion of a new and presumably more powerful and efficient tensor chip is likely to result in some general battery performance gains. How much and how those gains will translate to real-world daily use is something that's only really going to be known once the devices are out in the wild and in the hands of the consumers. Any deficits in the actual capacity and the efficiency could also be further offset by improvements to fast charging. The current Pixel phones are not the fastest when it comes to charging, so it wouldn't be totally surprising to see improvements in this area with the Pixel 7 series. At the same time, it wouldn't be totally surprising to see no changes in this area.